Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Fun Tech. Ever wonder which AI tool is best suited for your productivity needs? OpenAI's ChatGPT or Microsoft's Copilot? With OpenAI's recent launch of the ChatGPT app for Windows, this debate has gotten a lot more interesting. And by the end of this video, you'll not only know which tool might be the better fit for you, but also get insights on how they work differently under the hood. Stick around, you might just find your next productivity powerhouse. Now, quick question. Have you ever caught yourself wondering if your AI assistant has a personality? Because apparently, some people find ChatGPT friendlier, while Copilot is more strictly business. So, which type are you? Alright, let's start with where these two heavyweights align. Both ChatGPT and Copilot are powered by large language models. Yep, that's OpenAI's GPT architecture under the hood, working its magic. They're here to help you with content creation, data analysis, and automation. Sounds like they're similar enough, right? Well, yes and no. Here's the twist. Although they have similar capabilities, each one has a unique vibe that can appeal to different user types. ChatGPT has a friendlier, more conversational approach, which makes it great for tasks that involve creativity or a more human touch. Imagine it as that one coworker who always has a cheerful response. On the other hand, Copilot is straightforward, efficient, and all business. It's like the serious colleague who just gets things done without any extra fluff. So, if you like to keep things quick and strictly business, Copilot might already sound like your pick. But here's where things get spicy. What if I told you that while ChatGPT may be the charming conversationalist, Copilot has an insider advantage that could be a game changer for productivity? Hang tight, we're diving into that next. Alright, let's talk about where the real differences come into play. Microsoft Copilot is like an AI that's practically woven into the fabric of Microsoft's ecosystem. If you're using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Teams, Copilot is right there, ready to help at any moment. Imagine you're drafting a big report in Word. Copilot can pull data from your recent Excel sheet, or even use insights from an email thread to add depth to your document. But ChatGPT? It's a lone wolf. It operates independently, which means it's versatile and can jump between tasks. It's perfect for general users or those needing flexibility across various applications. And while it isn't embedded in an ecosystem like Microsoft's, it has the flexibility to integrate with different apps via APIs, meaning it's adaptable to almost any task. Ever wondered why people call ChatGPT the jack of all trades? Well, because it actually can jump from coding to content creation faster than you can say multitasker. But here's the real question. Do you prefer a specialist or a multitasker? It's kind of like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a laser-focused tool. And here's a big one. Copilot has a secret weapon. Through Microsoft Graph, it can pull data from your files, emails, and calendars to tailor responses directly to your needs. It's almost like having an assistant who reads your mind. ChatGPT, while flexible, doesn't have that level of personalized access. So, if you're in a corporate setting where specific context matters, Copilot's got a significant advantage. Now, let's wrap things up with customization. ChatGPT and Copilot each offer unique ways to tailor their functionality to specific needs, but they're not identical in approach. For business users, Microsoft has introduced Copilot Studio, which allows companies to customize Copilot's responses and streamline it directly into their workflow. It's designed to be pretty plug-and-play, meaning no deep coding skills are needed to get it working just right for your team. But don't count ChatGPT out yet. OpenAI also offers customization options through its APIs and, recently, a no-code builder. However, setting up custom workflows with ChatGPT usually demands a bit more technical know-how. So if you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur looking for flexibility without being tied into an ecosystem, ChatGPT still has a lot to offer. Now, the million-dollar question, which one should you choose? Copilot is a powerhouse if you're already in Microsoft's ecosystem, while ChatGPT offers unmatched flexibility. But remember, there's one major twist about ChatGPT that may completely change your view. Are you ready? Here's the deal. Whether you're Team ChatGPT or Team Copilot, both tools offer tremendous productivity benefits. If you're a business professional with deep Microsoft roots, Copilot could be the exact partner you need. But if you're looking for a tool that adapts across various tasks and isn't bound to any single ecosystem, ChatGPT's versatility will be hard to beat. So, which one will you choose? Drop a comment below and let us know. Are you leaning toward the versatile, creative ChatGPT or the focused and data-savvy Copilot? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more tech comparisons right here on AI Fun Tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay productive, and keep pushing those boundaries with AI.